Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm sharing this gorgeous HoboBe HoboBe in the color Teal Lagoon. So I have a good handful of HoboBe HoboBe packing videos from over the years. I'll link my playlist below so that you guys can see alternative ways to pack this up. Or maybe if you have younger kids and want to see how to pack it up if you have a kid in diapers or whatever, I likely have it below in the playlist, which I will put. But the HoboBe HoboBe has not been my favorite HoboBe style now for a while. I keep kind of going back and forth with it. I think the reasoning is that I am a classic overpacker. I tend to pack all of the things. I like big unstructured tote bags the best, that I can really kind of pouch pack with them and just have everything that I need and kind of grab out and hand to the kids like a snack bag or an activity bag or whatever. So this bag here I haven't been drawn to, but now that my kids are a little bit older, I wanted to try it again, but I haven't really wanted to get any of the prints that have been released over the past couple of months. When I saw this bag released in the new Chromatics 2.0 in this Teal Lagoon, I knew I had to have it. I just knew I was going to love this particular style HoboBe in this Chromatics material. It's so soft, it's squishy, it's comfortable to wear, and it gives a real like hobo vibe of a bag whenever you're wearing it crossbody or over your shoulder, because the material just kind of cinches up. Even if you don't have it stuffed full, like I have mine pretty full right now, but the more empty you carry it, it's like the cuter it looks on your body. So I love it. The strap here is removable on a swivel clip. So those of you that have other HoboBe prints maybe that you want to pair a different strap with here, you definitely have that option. They're not attached like they used to be way back in the day. They are a swivel clip here on the bag. It also comes with a nice padded strap here, or a shoulder pad that you can kind of move and it won't slip off of your arm depending how you're carrying it. So I love it. I can't say enough about it. I'm just really surprised at how much I love it. Like, it packs really well. So let's get into it. I'll show you how I have it packed up for me and a few things for the kids in here. We just got back from vacation last week and I packed this up as soon as I got home. So some of the things in here is just kind of overflow from the week. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said before, there is rose gold hardware on this bag. I love the metal zippers. I also super love the lining inside this bag. I think it's so pretty. So right here in the front of the HoboBe, you have what's called like the mommy pocket of the bag. You have one zipper that goes the whole way across, really smooth zippers. And then inside here, you have two mesh pockets, and then you have a key leash here. So attached to the leash, I just have a small set piece in the same Chromatics Teal Lagoon color. And in here, I have my wallet. I have a small card case from Dagny Dover that fits perfectly inside here. This just has all my cards in it. And then inside, I still have extra room for receipts or cash or coins, whatever it is that I need. So I've always just loved kind of using these as little on-the-go wallets. Then right here next to it, you have one other mesh pocket. I have a Tarte lip gloss in here. And then I also have my Touchland hand sanitizer. And then I have a Body Shop Satsuma hand cream. That's what I have in there in these two mesh pockets. You also have one long zipper pocket inside here. I have never really used this pocket, to be honest. I think it's hard to get to when this leash is here because it kind of hangs over the pocket. So it's not that convenient to get things in and out of, and I haven't really needed it, to be honest. There's so many pockets in this bag that I've never really used that. Right behind this mommy pocket, you also have another little hidden pocket, and this here is your cell phone pocket or tech pocket. It is felt lined, so you can throw even things like sunglasses in there if you wanted to. I throw my phone in there from time to time if I'm not carrying it on my body. So that is directly behind this mommy pocket. So it's kind of like all of your things that you need are right here in the front of the bag. Moving on to the sides of the bag, another pocket that I don't currently have much in at the moment because I tend to use it as like a catch-all. I just have my big O-Venture key ring here and my keys attached to it. I can easily just attach this on the side of the bag if I wanted to. I kind of love this corally peach color, and how pretty would that be in a Chromatics color? That would be so pretty. HoboBe, make that happen. No, I'm just kidding. But I love that color, and I think it pairs really well with this kind of teal color. Over here in this side pocket, I actually don't have anything. These pockets are really generous though. If you want to put a water bottle in them, they pull out really easily. This here is just my BrewMate cup. I love this color. It matches really well with this bag too. I wanted to show you how it fits in this side pocket because you can really put a lot in these pockets. You can put small swell bottles, you can put regular water bottles. They all fit really well over here, and because the material is so soft, you can really like squish them in there and they form to the bag really well. So I love this. A sweet friend of mine on Instagram actually sent this to me and I thought it was such a sweet gift, but I love it inside this HoboBe. It works really well. So those are the side pockets there. Turning the bag around to the back, you have one long pocket. And it has a snap closure right here. I don't think I don't have anything in here. I use this as a catch-all pocket for receipts or papers. You can also put a change pad back here if you're carrying this and you have littles. That's a great pocket for that also, or so many things. But it just has one little snap pocket there on the back of the bag, and it's really convenient. So let's go ahead and get into the inside of the bag. Looking down at the top here of the bag, you have one zipper that goes the entire way across the bag and kind of comes out with a little tail here of the side. This bag opens up so nice and big. And like I said earlier, I love the lining. I love the way that it contrasts with this teal. It's a light lining so you can find everything that you need. And I just really love this kind of champagne gold color. I think it's really classic looking. So let me pull out what I have in the very middle of the bag so then you can really see all of the organization that's on the inside here. So this is the perfect size here for my current planner that I'm using. This is the Erin Condren Petite Planner System. I showed a brief kind of unboxing of this system here on my channel, but I didn't show you guys how I actually ended up setting it up. Let me know below if you want to see that. I'm pretty obsessed with this. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I love this whole planning system, and it fits really well in everything. So that's what I have tucked down in there. Then I also have right in front of it my Erin Condren sticker book. This I don't typically carry with me, but I was doing some planning and I just threw it in there because I had it from upstairs here and I was carrying it around. But this just holds all of my stickers. I don't use a lot of stickers, believe it or not. Like when I'm planning, I'm more of like a functional planner, so I will use the heck out of these little stickers and the dots, but I don't use too much pretty stickers from time to time. This is just kind of what I have left. So anyways, this is my little Erin Condren sticker book. Fits obviously perfectly down in there. Then I have right in front of both of those things, oh, I have my glasses over here on the side. I'll pull those out. These are just my eyeglasses, and I can also fit my sunglasses in here. But right here in front, I have the medium set piece to the B set in this particular lagoon or teal lagoon color. And in here, this is kind of what I was talking about earlier. This is a bunch of stuff like left over from vacation. I am not even going to unpack that for you all because that is just a hot mess. I threw in all of like my pens. I have some medicine. It was a med kit, believe it or not. Like this was our med kit from vacation. I have Band-Aids and just so much stuff. It's like a miscellaneous bag really. But again, that's kind of why I love this material is you can just really stuff these and have everything that you need all in one little spot. So we'll call this my little mini, not so mini hot mess med kit that I'm using at the moment. So that's what's in there. Then when you open up this bag really big, I have my Packed Party keychain here. You guys have seen this in a bunch of my bags. This is an external charger. This itself is not a charger. You would need to plug this like USB part in, and then you have this end here for your phone or whatever you need. So I use this a ton. So I always have it in my bag somewhere. But besides the big open part of the bag here, you have so much organization inside. You have 3 mesh pockets and 2 zipper pockets that can really organize all of your small things inside your bag. In this mesh one up here in the front of the bag, I just have a handful of cars, for my youngest. This was just kind of our current toy that we've been playing with when we're out and about. So I have those down in that pocket so I can grab them out for him if I need them. Then in these two mesh pockets back here in the back, this one is kind of my mask and hand sanitizing stuff. These are like extra masks I always like to carry. I have a few down in here for my daughter and I, one for my son. So these are just kind of tucked down in there. And then also I have a package of wet ones. Right next to it here, I have my favorite pouch. It's so special. I got it at the beach when we were on vacation this past time. I want to say Mud Pie makes it. I don't remember, so I don't have a link or anything like that for it. I can try to look online and see if I can find it, but it just says life is better at the beach, and it's just really soft and pretty, and I love this little knot kind of tie here. And this just has all of my stuff in it. I had it like packed kind of for vacation. I have my watch in here I need to actually charge, but I have a ton of these, oh, what are they called? Telly ties, I believe is what they're, I love them. These are great hair ties. I have a bunch. I actually bought more recently, so I threw them in here. And then I just have a nail file, more hand cream, some Pura Vida bracelets that I had gotten. Tucked those in there. Anywho, that's all of this that's down in here, and my Aquaphor lip stuff. So this is kind of like my little bag, but I couldn't wait to show you guys because that is just so cute. And then the last thing is this zipper pocket back here in the back, like behind these pockets. And in this long zipper, this one's a long zipper, and then you have a short zipper here in the front, which I'll show you in a sec. But in here, I just have a like skinny little word find book and a play pack for the kids. That was just in there if we needed something like activity wise. And then right here in this front zipper pocket, I just have my earbuds tucked kind of down in there. So that is everything. Yeah, I don't have anything left in there. That is everything I have packed inside. I'll give you guys one more view here now that it is empty so you can really see like the different pockets, the zipper pocket back there, and then your zipper pocket up here. So you can really organize this bag well. If you don't like to pack with pouches, this is the bag for you for sure, because you don't need any at all to make this really organized. But see how well it like opens up with this material, but yet it still kind of holds its shape well. Like I'm not even like touching it, it's not falling over or anything, but yet if you have it empty, it's just so soft on your body. So I love it. I can't say enough about it. I think that it's great style with this, or on this Chromatics material. So if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to let me know as always below. I will have links to everything I can find below as always. So I will see y'all on my next video.